Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating the profile repository with your exact GitHub username. This is the trigger that makes the README appear on your profile. Once created, initialize it with a README MD file and commit immediately. Make sure the repo is public so GitHub can surface the page. If you plan to host a page too, enable GitHub pages after the initial commit. Otherwise, focus on writing the README content now and proceed to structuring its sections. Now craft the README body with clear sections, a concise introduction, highlighted projects, and a skills or tech stack list so visitors understand you at a glance. Use markdown headings for hierarchy, inline images or GIF for visuals, and badges to show OS, languages, or CI status. Once done, add links to repositories and social contact methods. Make sure to keep sentences short and visual elements optimized. Commit changes frequently, so you finish by committing all changes and pushing to the main branch, then immediately preview your GitHub profile to confirm the README renders as expected. If something looks off, check common issues: incorrect file name, branch mismatch, or broken image and link paths. Replacing relative image paths with raw GitHub URLs often resolves display problems. Make sure to update content regularly and pin key repositories. One key troubleshooting tip: if the README doesn't show, verify the repository name exactly matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.